Tuanze, you know the necessary.
Etimu ya Bamura ya rugby yesukuru ya Cardinal Motunga Mosocho kurokisi county abo banyara ko abanyangongo ase region ya Nyanza ase chikosoli chi secondary bagenderete ko yarigania abakongu ase kiwango kia nationals abakosoli abo bakorawa ne captain chabo nabo iko coach nene yabo enene Edwin Metobo nigo batebire buna ase amatuko amagiga nigo bagaiteiru ase regionals kolendo mwako oyo basore nationals ase babakeire abari mu besukuru eyombo yamono ase omukia na ogosirwa babaire anene goche asumorokyo obo omonene.
Nimindo captain rugby. Sijakuwa rahisi from the start, from form 1 tumekuwa tukitolewa hadi regionals. Sijakuwa rahisi, ndo tulikuwa number 1 na tumeprepare for nationals. Na mindset yetu mpaka East Africa. Thanks to our coach, principal.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank our chief principal for the support. Tunamshukuru sana, amekuwa nasi tangu mbali na pia tumekuwa tukiprepare, tumeset goals zetu so far, tumetick the right boxes, tunaendelea vizuri. Mindset yetu iko East Africa.
Edwin Metobo Mweri ya coach Cardinal Motunga Mosocho. I want to take this opportunity first to appreciate our chief principal for the huge support that he has directed to our team rugby. And I want to thank the school administration, the staff for the moral support that they have given the boys.
Edwin Metobo nigo akira aborokigwa abo ase okogendera kurwanira litalia Cardinal Motunga Mosocho ase egeti boigo ase birasime.
On and off the pitch, they have been very disciplined. They have really fought for the school, that is the school badge, to ensure that we get Cardinal mali ilikuwa inakaa kitambo. The boys are really working hard in class to balance both academics and co-curricular, and that is a good value that they are really portraying out.
Nigo bararine endege kuro Kisumu chitariki 30 mutionyoyo kogenda Nairobi chinsemo cha Mpesa Academy tika asebara chikogosoli ko chakira chitariki 3 mpaka chitariki 5 omutionyo onane ase chitimu isato chindanga ni chira chikobwa chigenderere bosio kogosolia ne chitimu cha East Africa asense ya Tanzania. Kulipotere Getembe kuro asekiti kia Cardinal Motunga Mosocho nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara asengo bakanelia amaya etimu engime yo ya rugby eimogeti elietalia gusi boigo na Nyanza.